Full disclosure, I've had a strong affinity for the 12-inch MacBook since it was originally introduced in 2015. Sure, it was underpowered and had an annoyingly flat keyboard. And it had only a single USB-C port, then still something of an exotic novelty, for both power and data connections. But I loved how slim and lightweight it was, its excellent high-resolution display, and how I could get all the useful features of OS X, now called macOS, in something so easy to pick up and carry around. However, it wasn't for everyone. Long-form typists would be turned off by the lack of tactile feedback from the shallow keyboard. Its Core M processor could chug even when just running a bunch of web browser tabs, and everything from USB keys to HDMI cables now required an armful of dongles to use. The second generation from early 2016 added little more than a slightly faster processor to essentially the same machine. Still good, but still a niche product for those who could live within the boundaries of its mechanical limitations. Now, in the third version of the 12-inch MacBook, introduced at Apple's WWDC 2017 conference, the MacBook confidently moves from cult favorite to mainstream machine. A series of internal upgrades make a world of difference, and should make it easier to choose the MacBook over the bigger MacBook Pro or the still severely outdated MacBook Air. Slightly bigger elephant in the room, the only port is still a single USB-C one, and it's not Thunderbolt enabled, so if you regularly connect USB keys, an external display or any other outboard gear, it's still a hassle. There are USB-C dongles and adapters available for each and every eventuality, but they're inconvenient and often expensive. A simple USB-C to USB-A adapter is $20, while Apple's big multi-port dongle that gives you HDMI, USB-A and USB-C, the latter for pass-through charging, is $70.